We started out by taking out the Force by Vault. It's an Australian-based company that has been pioneering with sport testing technology. So here, force decks are being set out so we can do the jumping and see how well they produce force. We do a battery of tests and then we see how well they do. The setup time is fairly simple. So you take them out, make sure they're level. Now I'm just connecting both of them so they can communicate amongst each other. And then I connect it to the laptop. It takes around 4 to 5 minutes. Pretty simple.
Let's go. Arms by your side. Arms by your side. No, on your hips. Yep, that's it. Go. Let's go. One more. Relax. Feeling okay?
Yeah.
Hurt your feet?
Yeah.
Yeah, next time bring your shoes. I thought you'd be smart enough to get your shoes.
Well,
Now you can have your arm swing and jump 3 times. Right? Same thing. You take a break after each jump. Go. Good. Let's go. Good. Good. Relax. Step on. If you can jump a bit higher,
yeah.
let's go. Relax.
I knew I was gonna fall off.
Arch, you're done. Okay, you ready?
So what is
So counter movement jump.
no arm swing?
No arm swing. Hands on the hips. 3.
In a row or stop in between?
You stop in the between and then go again. I'll tell you to stop and then go. Don't worry about it. Alright, step on. Put your hands by your side. Look forward. Recording weight. 120.6 pounds. Alright, hands on your hips. Let's go. 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 Relax. Next one is with the arm swing.
Oh,
Okay, Abulakov.
3, same thing?
Say 3, same thing. Step. Let's go. Good.
There
Yeah. Good jump. Let's go one more. That's a great jump. Great jump.
you go. Good.
Little wait, relax. Just stay on there, don't worry about it, stay on there. Next is the hop test. 10. Go. Relax. Hurts?
No.
Alright, you're done. Hands down, arms by your side, look forward. 153 pounds.
150 or 155 before.
Oh. Alright, let's go. Hands on your hips. Go. Good jump. Go. Good jump. Go. Good jump. Stay there. Feeling okay?
Yeah.
Alright. What's up, Brady?
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you feeling? Will Abelakov with the arm swing.
Is that
Now go. What up, Riley? Go. Move your arms also. Use your arm swing. Go. Relax. Done. Last one is the hop test. You have to jump on the spot 10 times.
Yeah. Just like this?
Yeah. No, you can use your arms.
Oh, I can use my
But make sure you're always jumping on the thing. Don't twist your ankle while coming down.
Yeah.
Measuring weight.
How many?
10.
10, alright.
Hold on. Go.
What, are the jumps already?
Yeah, we'll check them. Alright, Lincoln.
Who did the best?
I'll tell you at the end. Oh, why? It's not a competition amongst you three. It's
No,
a competition of yours.
It's a
It's
competition
competition.
myself. Like I'm trying to be better than my previous self.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that now.
I need to go here, right?
Yep, we gotta go here now.
I gave below. Oh, Nordics. Oh, yes.
Okay, so first one will be we'll do the Nordic first. Then we'll go on to what do you call it? Single leg, straight leg. Sorry, straight leg. Wait, don't go now.
The Nord board by Vault is absolutely phenomenal. The amount of data you can collect with an athlete or an individual's hamstring is incredible. So here we are with the Nordic test, and then we end up doing isometric prone test for the hamstring, and then the 60-degree. I think is the best equipment I've ever used personally to do testing on an athlete. Incredible.
Let's go relax. Okay, next one, get your arms forward, full on the ground. On the ground, get your arms on the ground. Get your hamstring straight. Let's go straight. Come forward, walk forward with your hands. That's it. You're gonna press up from this position. Alright? Prone position.
So I like just don't use my hands at all.
No, get your butt down. Let's go. Oh, that's it. Press. Relax. Press. Relax. Press. Relax. Good job. Now just walk back with your hands. Walk back, bit more. That's it, 60 degrees. That's it.
Same thing.
Same thing. Don't move. You just have to push from that position, alright? Go. Relax. Go. Relax. Go. Relax. Good job. Great. So when I tell you to go, we'll do 2 to 3, alright? Depending on how you feel.
Up as well?
What? No, just down. Just walk back. Alright, you can go whenever. Let's go.
Good?
Yeah. Relax. Get your arms down on the ground. Arms down fully forward, straight. Straighten up. That's it. You're gonna press up into the legs. You're not gonna do a Nordic or anything. You're just gonna press up into the leg. Straight leg. Go.
Yeah.
Press. Relax. Go. Relax. Go. Relax. Last one, walk back with your hands. That's it. No, come forward. That's it. 60 degrees. Alright. Press. Relax. Press. Relax. Go. Relax. Alright, we're gonna go for a Nordic first, right?
So that's the straight down one.
Yeah.
right?
Ready?
Yeah.
Good job. Now you don't have to pull yourself back up.
Yeah.
Just walk back. Good job, Winnie. Give me one more. Let's go. Excellent. That's fine. Push. Relax. Push. Relax. Push. Relax. Okay. Now walk back with your hands slightly. That's it. 60 degrees. Push. Relax. Relax. Push. Relax. Push. Relax. Alright. You're done. Go.
It's weird because I feel like I'm pulling myself up.
Yeah, it's like that. It is like that. But yeah. Lincoln? Come here. Let's just go.
Is that good?
That's very good because you're world average in the 57th percentile. Abalakov with the arm seg, you're in the 64th percentile. Hop test, I'm pretty sure if you had shoes, you'd probably be able to do better. So let's see next time, but I know where you have to improve. Hamstring strength with the straight leg, we need to improve that. Other, your Nordic is fine, your right and left is okay, 60 degrees fine. Your straight leg strength production, we need to work on that now. Alright? Fine, go.
So I got 32, 40,
32 centimeters.
32.
Yep. Smile for the camera. Yeah. Tyler, let's go. 33. Yeah.
What about this?
You're in the
Abacal?
65th percentile though.
What does that mean?
Means worldwide. People your
Oh, really?
age,
Wait, what
boys your
about,
age,
oh,
you're in the
what about
above
the
average.
Abracadabra.
Abalakov, your upper body strength lacking.
38%.
You need to get your upper body strength up. In your hop tests, you're fine. This is great. Good number. Even though you don't have shoes, I'm pretty sure if you had shoes, you'd probably be higher.
Okay.
What I need to focus now on is your hamstring actually are doing very well. They're all very symmetrical. But your left is way too dominant on your Nordic. Your Nordic, your left, just start using your left way too much. So you'll have to fix that. But other than that, it's all good. Let's see how you do. Let's see how you do afterwards.
Okay.
Smile.
Oh no.
Man, your hamstring strength has gone really up.
Yes.
Really. Your CMJ has gone almost 40 centimeters now.
Is that good?
Man, almost 40 centimeters.
Is that good?
That's really good. You're literally in the 89th percentile. This means that you're in the top 89% in the world
For my age?
for your age.
Yeah.
You're there, almost 40 centimeters. Your Abalakov is good. Your upper body strength is lacking though. Your upper body strength. Your ankle is hurting. That's why it's gone down.
Yeah.
Really gone down.
Yeah.
I think if you have shoes, you'll be fine. But jumping wise, I mean, your hamstring strength, your right is very good.
Okay.
We're just gonna make it stronger. We're gonna work on your. I mean, whatever we've done good. Because last time when I did your test, you know how much your jumping was, and when was the last time I did your test?
A couple months ago.
Last time October,
Yeah.
and it's February. And since then you've been working with me throughout. You've only gained 0.2 pounds since then. 0.2 points. Your jump was 31.
Yeah.
It's gone 8 centimeters higher now.
Okay.
So you're doing something right.
Yeah.
Fine. Good.
Okay.
Good. Smile.